Step 1. Go to the ABCPROXY website and click on the dashboard to go to the main page. Step 2. Once in the dashboard, click on the SERP API function. Step 3. New users can receive a free trial. Click on the free trial to start using it. Step 4. Return to the dashboard and click the scraper button. Step 6. Click on the website. Select the website from which you would like to obtain real-time search engine data. Step 7. Click Search Query to enter keywords here. Step 8. Click Additional Parameters to set other conditions. Step 9. Click Submit Request. Step 10. Clicking on Output Preview will show you all the data about coffee on Google. Step 11. Click JSON Respond in Output. Step 12. Click Copy in Request Code to copy what you need. Join today.